See children, so now here we have workbook exercise first one, understanding the text in the Town Child poem, understanding the text. What did they give first? Read the poem and tick the correct answer. So here already you have read the poem, right? So if you didn't, once again you read the poem and then you can write the answers very easily for this. What is this? First one you see, my home is a house near A. My home is a house near A. Where is it there? His house is near a wood. What did they give? Country, wood, forest. Where was his house? Near a wood. So give tick for this. Tick for this. Okay children. Now see this one, second one. The lanes are so, how they are? The lanes are so quiet, noisy, polluted. The lanes are so quiet. No one there, na? So that's why it is very quiet. So not noisy, not polluted. Now see the third one. I wish that I lived in A. I wish that I lived in A. Where does he want to live? Yes, where? In a village or in a country or in a town. Where does he want to live? He wanted to live in a car. That is a town. He is a town child poem also. So, town. And the trees are so, how they are? So high and so tall, so short and so tall, are so small and so tall. What is the correct one? Yes. So, high and so tall. So, here only tall means obviously it must be very high also, right? So, high and so tall. Okay children. So, these are from the textbook. Then we can see the next one. Yes, see children, so now we have in this understanding the text only, answer the following questions. So, we have question answers. We should write the answers for that. Okay children. So, now see the first question. First question, where is the child's house? Where is the child's house? And does he like to live there? Does he like to live there? So, where is the child's house? Does he like to live there? Does he like to live there? No. So, where is the child house? Near the woods. So, write the sentence on this. That answer we must write in a sentence. So, write down the child's house. The child's house is near the wood. Near the wood. Does he like? No. So, no, he does not like. He does not like to live there. To live there. He does not like to live there. Okay. So, where is the child's house? The child's house is near the wood. Does he like to live there? No, he does not like to live there. Okay, children. And see the second question. Second question, what do we have? Why does the country child feel alone? Why does the country child feel alone? He feels alone there, na? Yes. Why? Why does he feel alone? Right answer for this. The country child feels alone. The country child feels lonely or alone because the lanes are quiet and there is no one to play. There is no one to play with. So why does the country child feel alone? The country child feels alone because the lanes are quiet. So the total roads are quiet now. The lanes are quiet and there is no one to play with. So anyone there to play with him? No. So there is no one to play with. That's why he feels alone. Right? Now see the third question. Yes, see the third question. What is that? What is the wish of the country child? Right. What is the wish of the country child? What is his wish? Right. What is the wish of the country child? So what is his wish? To live in a town. Right. So right answer. The wish of the country child. The country child wished to live in the town. To live in the town. The country child wished to live in the town. What is the wish of the country child? The country child wished to live in the town. Right. And see the fourth question, last one. What does the poet means here the child. What does the child, you write down. What does the child want to see in the town? Want to see in the town. What does the child want to see in the town? Answer. The child wants to see. The child wants to see the trams. Wants to see the trams going. See the trams going down a twinkling streets. Twinkling street in the town. See that. What does the child want to see in the town? What does he want to see? The child wants to see the trams going down in a twinkling streets. So trams going down a twinkling street in the town. Trams going down a twinkling street in the town. Twinkling, that is the lights shade we get, na? So twinkling street in the town. Right, children? So these are the question answers we have. And then see the next one. See, so the next we have in the word search, write the rhyming words of the following words from the poem. So we have completed the town child poem now. So from that rhyming words, all of you know that rhyming words, the end of the words should pronounce same sound, right? So that rhyming words we should take it from the poem, okay children? So you tell me, see the book and tell me the answers. Wood. So wood is there. So for the wood, what do we get the answer? Yes, see the textbook and tell me answers. Wood we get, yes, could. Would rhyming word could. And hours rhyming word flowers. Hours rhyming word flowers. And town rhyming word down, right? Town rhyming word down. And bright rhyming word bright night. Bright rhyming word night. And dear rhyming word near. Dear near. So in the textbook, in the poem, they have given the rhyming words. So for these they have given consonant rhyming words right from the poem only. They asked clearly from the poem only, na? That's why we should write whatever the same kind of sounds, that words we should take. Okay, children. So for that, would, could, hours, flowers, town, down, bright, night, dear, near. Right. So these are the rhyming words we have from the poem. Okay, children. So let's see the next one. Yes. See, children. So the next word we have here. Add appropriate suffixes to these words to form adjectives. So by adding something to this, we should get suitable adjectives. So what should we add and where we should add? So here suffixes they said. What are these suffixes and prefixes? Can you remember? Prefixes means we add just before the word something to the word. And suffixes means we add end of the word. We add something to the end of the word. That is called suffix. Just before the word if we add something, that is called prefix. And if we add something after the word, that is called suffix. Okay, children. So by adding something, we should get suitable adjectives. So what can we add to get the adjectives? See this one, wonder. So for this wonder, if we add full, then we get the adjective wonderful. Then we get the adjective wonderful. So full word if we add, then we get wonderful adjective. The same way you tell me the next one, honor. Honor. For this what can we add? ABLE if we add, then it becomes honorable. This is honorable. This is also adjective. Honor, for this if we add ABLE, that will become honorable. Okay, children. Now see this, beauty. Yes, what can we add for beauty? Very good. Full. Then it becomes beautiful. Beautiful. Right. Yes. Respect. For this also same we should add full. Then it becomes respectful. Respectful. Okay. Next one. Victory. Victory. What can we add? IOUS should add and Y will disappear. Okay. Then it becomes victorious. It becomes victorious. Okay. When it is IOUS added, Y will omit and remaining will get it. Okay, ma. And see the next one, forget. So forget. What do we get for the forget? Here also ABLE should add it. Then we get it forgettable. But TT we get it. Forgettable, TT. Double T we get there. Okay, children. Next one, fruit. So for this also we should add full only. Then we should get it fruitful. This is fruitful. Okay. Next one, agree. Agree. What can we add? So for this also ABLE. Then we get the word agreeable. We get the word agreeable. Okay, children. So this we get it agree. We should add able. Then we get agreeable. Okay. Next one, bright. What can we add? We can write, yes, brightness if we add, that is also what we have. But brightness is the noun. But here what did they ask? To write adjectives only. That's why adjective means we should add here full only. So then we get it brightful. Brightness is the noun, that is not adjective. That's why we should write brightful only. Brightness word also is there. But here they asked correct properly to get the adjectives only. Brightness is the noun. That's why brightful only we should write. Okay children. And the last one, what do we have? Play. So for this also full. Then we can write playful. We can write playful. Okay children. So see this once again. I'll tell you these words. Wonder plus full. Wonderful. Honor plus BLE. ABLE. Honorable. And now beauty plus full. Beautiful. Respect plus full. Respectful. Victory, we should add IOS to get the adjective, that is victorious. And forget, we should add able, then we should write forgettable. And now fruit, for this we should add full, then it is fruitful. And agree, we can add suffix able, able, then it is agreeable. And bright plus full, here we will get the adjective brightful. And play plus full, here adjective we will get playful. So these are the adjectives from the given words by adding the suffixes. Okay children, note it down. Yes, see children, so the next we have here, write the plural forms of these words. So already we have completed singular nouns and plural nouns now. So now we should write the plural forms for these words. What are these words? So here calf, I told you, word ended with f or fe means it changes into ves in the plural form, right? So here calf is there. Then we should write it calves, cows, plural form, calf, cows, half, hours, knife, knives. Okay, like this, calf, calf will change into calves. Calf, calf, you know all of you? Yes, that is a baby of cow. Cow's baby, we call it calf, calf, not cagh, calf. calf, okay. So here calves, calves, calves together, plural form. Next one, what do we have? Butterfly, butterfly. Yes, why if we get that will change into IES in the plural form. So tell me the answer, spelling. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Butterfly, butterflies. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Next one, tooth. Tooth. What can we write? Tooths can we write? No. So what is this? Yes, tooth is one, but teeth is teeth is plural form. Teeth is plural form. Okay children. Tooth means toothache. That means one teeth. That is a one tooth only pain. But teeth means total what we have, 28 to 32. That total teeth. Okay. This is the plural form total and only one it is tooth. Okay children. Same this is also foot. Foot. So this is my foot. So one. But more than one means we should call that is feet. So any measurements we can call it how many feet it is. Right. So how many feet you are height. So like this, that means plural if it is feet we call it. So only one foot we call it. Plural form for this feet. Okay. Next one. Woman. Woman. So what is this? Woman's? No. So here woman. Woman. Plural form MEN. Singular form MAN. Plural form MEN. We don't have the word women's or women's. If anyone writes, that is apostrophe S about this like this. But we don't have the word women's or women's. Okay children. So plural form woman for this woman. MEN. Okay. The same way man. Men. Man. Men. Not of men's or not of man's. Men. Okay. And now see fairy. Again same. Y is there means we should write IES to get the plural form. So fairies. Fairy. Fairies. And next this all of you know bird. Then we get the plural form birds. We get the plural form birds. Right. So calf. calves. Butterfly, butterflies. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Woman, women. Woman, women. Man, men. Fairy, fairies. Bird, birds. Okay, children. So these are the singular to plural forms. See, children. So the next, what do we have here? Use a dictionary to find the synonyms of these words. So here they have given some words, and for this we should use the dictionary to find the synonyms, meanings, and then form a sentence of your own using each word. So for each word you should form your own sentences. Okay, children. So now what is the first word we have? Companion. Companion. So what is the meaning of companion? Companion meaning it is associate. Companion meaning it is associate. Associate. So very close are the same kind of one. So what can we write the sentence for this? So I am giving one sentence. If you want to write any other sentence. Ritu is my companion. Ritu is my companion. Very associate, very close like this. So Ritu is my companion. Okay, children. And this is the first one. And see the second one, what do we have? That is lonely. Second one, lonely. What is the meaning of lonely? Isolated. Lonely meaning isolated. That means only one, alone, no one there. So what can we write the sentence for this? Mr. Sharma is lonely. Okay, only one, there is no companion to them, alone. So lonely we can write. And see the third one, what do we write? What can we write? Trams. Third one we have trams. What is the meaning of trams? So those are four-wheeled wagons. Four-wheeled wagons, we call them trams. Four-wheeled or more than that. Those are called trams. Okay, children. So what can we write the answers? Invention of trams. Invention of trams helped. Invention of trams helped heavy metal industries. Helped heavy metal industries. Okay, children. Helped heavy metal industries. Okay. So invention of trams is helping na that. And next one, fourth one, what do we have? Wonderful. Fourth one we have wonderful. So what is the meaning of that? Fantastic. Fantastic. Wonderful meaning fantastic we can take. So what is the sentence we can take it? Geeta is a wonderful singer. Wonderful singer. Okay. And see the last one, what do we have? Fifth one, twinkle. Twinkle. Twinkle meaning sparkles. Twinkle meaning we can take sparkle also. So what can we write answer? A twinkle came into his eyes. A twinkle came into his eyes. So some sparkle star whenever you get your favorite one, right? So this we can write it. If you want, you can write your own sentences, any of these with this meaning, your wish. Okay, any other about yourself also you can write. Okay, so companion. Companion means associate. So Ritu is my companion, that is who is close, okay, to entertain ourselves, to share like this. Okay, lonely means alone. So isolated, that means no contact with the others, are very rare with the others, okay, but always spend the time alone without anyone, okay. So Mr. Sharma is lonely, so always he spends the time alone, he never meets any others, so that person we can call it lonely. And trams, four-wheeled wagons. Trams are nothing but four-wheeled wagons, that is our car, bus, more than four wheels also, no problem. So bus, train, car, all these are. So invention of trams helped heavy metal industries. So in the heavy metal industries they use these trams, that is to carry the heavy loads na. So it helped a lot. These trams are helping a lot. And wonderful means it is a fantastic. Wonderful means it's a fantastic. What is this? Geeta is a wonderful singer. You can write any of your favorite singers' names. S.P. Balu is a wonderful singer. So like this you can write any of your favorite people. Or else Rohit Sharma is a wonderful batsman. So like this you can write any of your favorite sentences. And now twinkle, little star, right? Twinkle is sparkles, we get. So a twinkle came into his eyes. So we saw sparkling stars in the sky during night, right? Like this, any suitable or very easy sentences, whatever you can write, you can. Okay children, so I told you this. If you want, you can write more interesting sentences also for you. Okay. Yes, see children, so the next topic we have, read the clues. Here these are the clues. And unjumble the words. So these we have in the jumbling order, so that we should write in the proper order. Then write them in the blanks. So here we have the blanks. So we should write them here, whatever the proper word for this. Okay children. So what are these proper words? See the clue words one by one. So by reading this, from this we should take the suitable answer. Okay children. Now see this. We live on this planet. So on which planet are we living? On which planet we are living? We are living on Earth, right? Is it suitable? See that. Earth spelling E-A-R-T-H. Yes. So total we are getting, then we can write Earth, E-A-R-T-H. We are living on this planet. We live on this planet. So which planet is it? Earth, right? And see the next one. This gives us light and heat. Which gives us light and heat? Yes. So very hot in the summer and very pleasant in the winter season. And then only we get the light in daytime. What is that? Yes, already you can understand. S-U-N, sun, right? So sun, natural light and heat we are getting. And the time when it is dark outside. So outside complete dark, black, dark is there. What do you call that? A time is nothing but morning time. Morning, do you see dark color? No. So at what time? Night. So see the spelling? N-I-G-H-T, right? So night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Okay children. Now see, a vast sea. Sea, okay. Big seas we call, those are oceans. O-C-E-A-N. So reverse order if you get, we are getting ocean. Oceans. And now see this. This is usually seen at night. So night time when you look into the sky, first what do you observe? Yes, we look at the moon only. Then the spelling is moon. Right. So from these words that we can find it based on these clue words. So we live on this planet. So which planet? That is Earth. So this gives us light and heat. Which is giving light and heat to us? Nothing but sun. And the time when it is dark outside. So outside complete dark means what is the time at that time? Time in the sense not 8 o'clock, not 9 o'clock. Generally what we call it? Total it's dark means night time. And a vast sea. Sea is already big. Very big seas, those are called oceans. And now this is usually seen at night. So night time in the sky, what can we see generally? That is nothing but moon. Okay children, so note it down. Yes, see children, so the last topic in our poem, The Town Child, we have creative fun. So what can we create fun here? Yes, see the last topic, what do we have? Fill the colors to complete the picture. So here half they have given, and suitable continuation we should fill this part also with the colors. Okay, so already here they have given, this is also we can continue this, and this is sun, trees, like this we should give the concern shades to that. Okay children, so you fill this part with the colors and suitable to this. Okay children, can you do it? Okay, so complete it for the next class.